I would imagine going in lectures by the boat.
How do you actually go to lectures?
By foot, and I enjoy it much more.
I only really knew the stereotypes, so I knew there was going to be a lot of cycling involved.
Going to the secondhand bookstores and finding cute little cafes and
museum visits, a lot of coffee dates.
Study day and night, just like non-stop as much as possible.
More reserved to myself, trying to study.
a lot of studying.
I imagine a lot of partying.
It's been like that so far.
It's been like that, yeah.
Goed je best doen op de universiteit, maar altijd tijd voor een feestje.
But it's been really different to what you articulate in your mind and what actually happens, because
Stelde ik me vooral voor dat ik er alle mogelijkheden had die ik misschien zou willen in mijn leven. En dat is ook zeker zo.
Ik ben wel meer verbonden met de stad, dat zou ik zeggen. Ben ik steeds meer in aanraking met internationale studenten. En ben ik steeds meer gaan waarderen en begrijp ik hun positie steeds meer.